Welcome to Spice Sutra. Today we are going to talk about bay leaf. Yes, bay leaf is basically a leaf which is used as a flavoring or for fragrance into food while cooking it. Bay leaf is a leaf of a particular plant, and there are various different kinds of bay leaves, so you have to be a little careful while picking up the best quality. So I think buy it from a good shop, they will be knowing which is the best quality of bay leaf. And bay leaf is a dried version of that leaf, so it takes several days to get the leaf dried and then use it as a spice. Normally we say that most of the spices origin in somewhere in Asia, but this is one spice, or this is one leaf which is found all across the globe. So whether you can find it in California, you can find it in Mexico, you can find it in India, you can find it in Philippines, other parts of Asia. So it's something which is available everywhere. Now we always talk in Spice Sutra about the health benefits of a spice. So unfortunately, like most of the other spices we spoke earlier, have tremendous health benefits. Bay leaf is not known to have too many health benefits. It doesn't mean it doesn't have, it has, but not as many as the other spices. So what are the health benefits of bay leaf? Bay leaf basically it's anti-inflammatory, it helps you in digestion, it can solve some respiratory problems. It is normally also used for treatment of your hair, and it's also known to help in anxiety or stress situation. So that is what the health benefits of bay leaf, which are known generally. Now, but let's come to the cooking part of it. How do you use bay leaf? And as I said, because it is available across the world, bay leaf is used practically in most of the cuisines. Let's start with Indian subcontinent. So in India, Pakistan, bay leaf is generally added whole inside a curry or while making a biryani or a pulao. In Philippines, they mostly use it to make meat dishes. When it comes to European and Mediterranean cooking, they add whole bay leaf inside while making stews, soups, sauces, all these dishes. And yes, even in French cooking, bay leaf is an integral part of the bouquet garni. And in the Caribbean, there's a very famous chicken dish called the jerk chicken. Bay leaf is a part of that too. So now bay leaf is used across the world. But a small note from Chef Millen. Generally, bay leaf is not known to have very good taste, or so should not be powdered and used or chewed upon. So what do you do while cooking with bay leaf? You want all the fragrance. As I said, it has got a nice fragrance which is almost similar to oregano or thyme. So add it into your curry, into your stew, into your soup, whatever you are making. Let it cook with it. But before you serve that, just remove the bay leaf and throw them. Don't serve it along with the dish so that you don't eat it. You got all the fragrance of the leaf, but you don't want the negative parts if you eat it. So now you know how to use bay leaf. Go ahead, buy some good bay leaf and start using it into your soup, stew or curry. Happy cooking!